So hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Tech Guy, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, I need a subscribe button. Kindly hit it, hit the bell icon, and kindly give the video a like. Yeah, kindly give the video a like, give it a like, and hit the subscribe button. Yeah, so today we'll be talking about how to reactivate or renew your NHIS card. Yeah, it means a make NHIS card. You know what I'm trying to say. How to renew or reactivate your NHIS card. I have a health insurance card. Yeah. So all that you have to do is on your phone. All that you have to do is just dial the code *929#. Yeah. So you just dial this code. Yeah. Then you realize there's a lot of options here. We have option 1: check policy, validity, renew membership, new registration, and link Ghana card. I made a previous video on the link Ghana card, so you can go there. You can go in my videos and check. So right now we'll be talking about the 2, renew membership. So we select 2, renew membership. Okay. Then you select 1, NHIS card. If you want to renew your Ghana card, you can do that. Since the Ghana card was recently made, the renewing it will be, I think, next 10 years. So we are just tackling on the renew Ghana card. So you select 1, renew NHIS or renew NHIS card. Select 1. Then you enter in your NHIS number. Okay, so let me enter in mine. Okay, then you re-enter it again. Okay, so you realize there will be a pop-up option with your details. Make sure that the details in there is correct. You also realize my status is inactive, meaning my card is not active. Yeah, so meaning it will cost much when I'm trying to renew. So you realize there's amount there, 26 Ghana cedis. So you just click on continue to pay. So we click on continue to pay. So make sure they have given us a prompt. Make sure you have enough wallet balance to proceed with the transaction of 26 Ghana cedis. Okay, so let's click on proceed. Okay, so now let's wait as the payment confirmation comes in. Okay, so we have received a prompt: pay 26 to Interpay, reference natural health insurance. Okay, so let me enter in my PIN. Okay, so thanks for the confirmation. So everything is done. I've done my payment. Okay, so that's how you can do to renew your NHIS card. So you realize a notification will be sent to the number you used in the registration. So I've received a notification. Hi, it's Alpha. Your NHIS renewal for card DNDN with Momo TRS was successful. So now let's go back and check if our registration was successful. Let's dial the code again. Okay. And let's go to check policy validity. Now we are checking out how. Let's check our policy. Okay, so NHIS card. Let's do NHIS. Okay. Let me copy it because it will come in. It will be coming again. So you realize now the status is active. Card number, starting date, and my ending date. Yeah. So my ending date is the 19th of December 2021. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Kindly give me a like and leave a comment. Hit the bell icon. Then subscribe. So thank you, and see you next time.